Welcome back. In this video, we're making New York-style bagels. Into the bowl of a stand mixer, 7 cups of bread flour, 1 packet of instant dry yeast, a quarter cup of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of diastatic malt powder. Start mixing on low speed. Pour in 1½ cups of warm water, a little bit at a time. Once a rough dough ball forms, add in 2 teaspoons of salt. Increase the speed to medium-high and continue mixing for another 12 to 15 minutes. Flour your work surface area. Turn out your dough. Form it into a dough ball. Place into a greased bowl. Cover and place into the refrigerator overnight. Onto a clean work surface area, turn out your dough. Divide into 12 equal-sized pieces. Roll each piece into rounds. Cover and let the dough relax for about 20 to 30 minutes. Using your thumb or a small donut cutter, remove the centers. Push 2 of your fingers through and stretch them out. You want the centers to be about 1½ to 2 inches in diameter. Cover and let proof for 1 hour. Bring a small pot of water up to a boil. Pour in a quarter cup of barley malt syrup. Then add your bagels. Cook for 30 to 60 seconds per side. Brush with egg wash. Add the toppings of your choice. Bake at 425 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. And there we have it, New York-style bagels. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.